bounce. 1, 2. Pick both the legs. Put your right leg in front. 1, 2. Next, the left one. 1, 2. In the left side. Right one would be in the right and left one would be in the left. With different postures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, put your right leg behind with the right hand and left leg behind with the left hand. Then leg should be open. Put your hands like this, bent, then straight. First step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have left here. Now the second step would be you have to go in your right with both the hands. Do it like this. You have to rotate your hand in the right side. Then you have to bounce. 1, 2. Say. And leg should be 1, 2. It's 1, 2. Then say. Go in the left side. 1, 2. After that, you have to move back like this. With a wave. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have left here. Now the next step, you have to use your right hand, but with the left leg. You have to push your leg forward. 1, with right hand, push back. 1, 2, together. After that, 1, 2, you have to come in left. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to rotate your hand like this, right hand. You have to come in the left. Your legs should be together. Now, the next step, 1, 2. Left hand, right leg. Go in right first. 1, 2. Hands should be together, legs should be together. Now, with the right hand and left leg, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. After that, open your legs first, then hands, then you have to go down with crossed hands like this. After that, straight. Then again, how you have done? We have done the last one like this. Then you have to open your legs first. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you have to rotate in your right first with open hands. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. You have to bounce. First, you have to come like this, and you have to go like this. Then 1, 2. First in the right, then in the front. One, two, three, four. Rotate. Right, front. The front. Now you have to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from the right, you have to go in the left. With right hand, left leg. 1, 2. Jump twice. 3, 4. Then go with the left hand, right leg in the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you have to put your hand like this and move your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then sit like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. After that, stand up like this. Then, first of all, hands should be like this. Your leg, right leg should be going like 1. Leg should be up. Your hand should be down. Both going together. 1, 2. Slowly. 3, 4. The first 4 steps should be slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now